Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Pinterest conversion tracking for affiliate sales. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To restore Pinterest conversion tracking for your affiliate sales, start by logging into your Pinterest business account. Navigate to the settings by clicking on the profile icon in the top right corner. In the left-hand menu, select the claim option. Ensure your website is properly claimed. If it isn't, add your website URL and follow the verification instructions. Next, go to that Ads section in the left menu. Click on Conversions to access the conversion tracking setup. If you had previous tags, check if they are still active. For a new tracking code, click on Set up your conversion tracking. You'll be prompted to select the type of conversion you want to track. Choose between site visits, purchases, or signups based on your affiliate goals. Once selected, click on Create Tag. Copy the generated code snippet. Then, head to your website's backend or CMS. Locate the area where you can add header tags, usually found in the theme or layout settings. Paste the code snippet into the header section as instructed. Save your changes and make sure to check for any errors. Return to Pinterest and confirm your tag installation by using the Pinterest Tag Helper. This tool will help you see if the tag is firing correctly on your site. After confirming, go back to your Pinterest ads account. Monitor your conversion analytics over the next few days to ensure tracking is functional. If necessary, readjust your settings based on your performance data. Regularly check your conversions to optimize your affiliate strategy moving forward. Following these steps will ensure your Pinterest conversion tracking is properly restored for your affiliate sales success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.